Probate versus trusts. What's the difference? When families begin estate planning or are faced with probate, one of the most common questions is, what is the difference between probate and a trust? Probate is the legal process that takes place after someone passes away. It involves validating the will, identifying assets, paying debts and taxes, and then distributing what remains to the rightful heirs. Because probate is a court-supervised process, it can take time, sometimes many months or even longer depending on the complexity of the estate. Probate is also public, which means anyone can look up the records and see what is in the estate and who inherits. A trust works differently. A trust is created during someone's lifetime, and assets are placed into it. The most common is a revocable living trust, which allows the person who creates it to stay in control while alive, but then smoothly transfer property after death without going through probate. Assets held in a trust are handled privately, often much faster, and in many cases at a lower overall cost. This makes trusts very appealing for families who want to avoid delays and keep their affairs confidential. That doesn't mean probate is always bad or that a trust is always the better answer. Probate provides oversight, which can be important when there are disagreements or unclear instructions. It makes sure debts and taxes are properly taken care of. Trusts, while useful, require effort up front to create and maintain. If someone sets up a trust but forgets to move certain assets into it, those assets may still have to go through probate. Trusts can also involve upfront legal costs and ongoing attention. So which is right for you or your loved ones? The answer depends on your goals and circumstances. Some families may be fine using a will and letting probate run its course. Others with multiple properties or complex estates may benefit from a trust. Many people actually use both, with a trust handling major assets and a will covering the rest. At Next Chapter Concierge, we help families understand the differences between probate and trusts and connect them with estate attorneys who can guide them to the best approach. If you are beginning probate or considering whether a trust is right for you, we are here to provide complimentary support, clarity, and peace of mind. For more information or to request our free guide on probate and trusts in Florida, reach out to us at nextchapterconcierge.com.